hi everybody. Welcome back. This is Kim. If you're new here, welcome. I do videos on the gig economy, Doordash, Grubhub, and Uber Eats, and also random technology videos. Today I'm going to be talking about Grubhub, one of my followers who comments often with pretty interesting comments. Brought this to my attention, this article, and it was quite interesting, so I'm going to share it with you. Is the end of Grubhub on the horizon? Maybe. Is Grubhub a dud? One of the JustEatTakeaway.com investors wants Grubhub gone. Like I said, thanks to one of my followers who gave me a heads up about this, I found the article he was referring to. This may not be the exact article. There's a couple of them, but this one I like the best. And it talked about the possibility of Grubhub being sold in 2021. The 2021 is almost over, so let's see if this actually happens. You know, it might be a good thing actually, because Grubhub has declined greatly since it was acquired by Jet. In my opinion, of course. I do deliver for Grubhub, and I don't know, in my eyes, it has gone downhill. Okay, so the actual article basically says that one of the investors, Cat Rock Capital Management, is saying that Grubhub is dragging Jet down. This happens just a month after Grubhub founder Matt Maloney, spelled his name wrong, is stepping down. Is this a coincidence? I think not. I think he saw the writing on the wall. So let's read this article and discuss it. Don't worry, it is not a long article, so it won't take very long to read, but I just think it's easier if kind of do it this way rather than me summarizing it. So here's the title: Grubhub cause of the public market's loss under new owner investor claims. So just 4 months after Grubhub was acquired by a Dutch company, an investor says Grubhub is a dud that needs to go. On Monday, when was this written? Is there a date? October 25th, so about a month ago. Cat Rock Capital Management sent a letter to the board of JustEatTakeaway.com, the Netherlands-based company that bought Grubhub in June, telling the conglomerate that Grubhub is dragging it down and is the root cause of the public market's loss of confidence in Jet. Now, personally, I didn't even know who Jet was. So I didn't lose any confidence in it because I didn't even know who it was. I did do a video about the acquisition. If you'd like to watch that, it kind of went over the details of the acquisition when Jet bought this. But in my eyes, Jet is the problem, not Grubhub, but that's just my opinion. Anyways, earlier this month, Grubhub founder Matt Maloney said he is stepping down from Jet's board in December to pursue other opportunities. Cat Rock Capital, a Greenwich, Connecticut-based hedge fund, has been an investor in Jet for the past 4 years and has a 6.5% stake, according to the letter. Cat Rock's founder and managing partner Alex Captain writes that the Grubhub acquisition clipped Jet's wings and is the sole reason the European conglomerate's growth has petered out. Jet's outperformance evaporated when it announced that the Grubhub's acquisition in June of 2020, with the stock falling over 18% in the 4 trading days after the announcement, according to the letter. What's more, Jet management is distracted by Grubhub, which has caused investors to question Jet management's judgment and motivation, Captain writes. Jet's deeply depressed valuation leaves it vulnerable to takeover bids, according to the letter. Captain urges Jet to sell Grubhub or spin it off and suggests that Walmart, Amazon, or Instacart are likely buyers as they look to beef up their grocery delivery businesses. And then he said, if Jet doesn't take steps to dump Grubhub before the end of the year, Captain warns, Cat Rock and other investors will take additional action. They only own 6.5%, so I don't know how much power they have, but it'll be interesting to see what happens. It's almost the end of 2021, so something better happen quick. Anyways, Grubhub has been losing market share in its biggest markets, including New York City, to rivals Doordash and Uber Eats, as the Post has reported, and it is under considerable regulatory scrutiny in the cities and states that have passed legislation aimed at curbing, I think that's supposed to be curbing, delivery companies' fees from restaurants. Jet, for its part, acknowledged Grubhub's specific challenges today in a statement, but insisted that it's poised for growth. It is a large and growing business with good underlying profitability, according to the statement, adding, over time it will be a participant in the consolidation of the wider U.S. market versus various players combined to optimize last-mile delivery. The JustEatTakeaway.com management team expects to be involved in this consolidation when it comes and intends to do so from a position of strength that reflects the strategic value of Grubhub. Okay, so that's the article. Do you think Jet will sell Grubhub or drive it into the ground? I don't know what's going to happen personally. Do you agree that Grubhub has gone downhill since Jet acquired it? I mean, in my experience, it definitely has. It used to be a really great platform, and I really enjoyed delivering for them, but now it's very stressful, and there's not as much money in it either. What do you think the issues are? Do you do as many Grubhub deliveries as you did a few months ago? I certainly don't. I hope they figure things out, or someone buys Grubhub and restores it to a good platform to deliver, and one that customers want to use. Do you think Grubhub is a dud? Please add your comments below. I appreciate that. Thanks for listening. See you next time.